I got you on video. My 3 favorite words. What are they, Austin? We got a dove out there. Landed in the water. Old Slick Willard there, he said, I'll go get him, Mike. Come on, son, fetch him up. Is the water cold? Good thing it's not deep yet. Fetch him up, son.
I can't.
Oh, just not quite to knee deep now. How deep's the mud? I think if it was me, that's a woodpecker, I'd just go ahead and dive in and go get him. Oh, look at him.
Oh, God. Oh, God. It wasn't worth it.
Attaboy.
God.
Fetch him up, son.
Oh,
There, you're almost to him.
I got the dove.
He got the bird. He's good as any Labrador you all ever seen. Look at that.
Oh,
That boy right there, now that's a retriever.
still can't touch.
Is it deep? Oh, look at that. That's a boy. Good boy. Fetch him up now, come on. He got my dove all wet. Good boy. Well, I'm gonna have to get off here because we got another one coming. Nope, he ain't coming. That's how we do it Missouri style. All right, y'all have a good day.